Hey Tuck followers, Keith here along with Jackson. Today we're going to be unboxing the Casper Wave Hybrid mattress. Casper put a coil support core in their beloved Wave mattress, so the luxury product in their lineup. And we've got a hold of one now. Let's take a look. So Casper does give you a welcome note along with this bed, instructions. This is heavy. Well, at first pass, it looks exactly like the original Wave. You have that same jersey knit cover, so kind of white into gray. And if you didn't actually lay down on it, you'd confuse it for the original, but there is certainly a different feel to this hybrid bed.
Yeah, no question.
Jackson, how does it compare? Can you feel the coils?
You know, you can feel the coils. It's definitely a little bit more responsive than the original.
Yeah, how does it smell?
You know, there's a little bit of an off-gassing smell. I'm sure that'll go away in 24 to 48 hours.
What about firmness?
Let's find out. You know, I'd probably put it right there in the middle. Probably go to 5, medium firm.
Yeah, it's definitely a little firmer than the original Wave.
Definitely.
There's definitely more edge support than an all-foam bed. You can feel some reinforcement here on the sides.
Now they do have an enhanced edge support, it seems like. You know, it's definitely more resilient, more responsive. The original as a memory foam or mixed foam bed often has a little bit more contouring. This one bounces back a little bit quicker.
It does still have that soft polyfoam initial layer though. It's got the sort of pillowy feel on top.
Yeah.
Well, we're excited to thoroughly put the Casper Wave Hybrid through our mattress testing. Stay tuned for our full mattress review video. And if you want any more info on this mattress, feel free to check out the full written review on tuck.com.